Hello and welcome to Verbal to Visual. My name is Doug Neill, and in this video I'd like to answer the question, what can you do with visual thinking skills? Why is it worth it to develop the ability to sketch out quick drawings and diagrams? To explore that question, I'm going to sketch out a little diagram here as I share the three primary uses of visual thinking. First up, this ability to sketch things out makes for a great learning tool. Here, what's going on is that you, as an individual or maybe as a team, there's new information coming in and you need a way to process and remember that information. And when you make the decision to sketch out what you're learning, you're moving from passive consumption to active creation. You're doing something with those new ideas. You're creating a visual artifact for yourself, which is going to activate both the verbal and visual processing powers of your brain. That's what the theory of dual coding is all about. You make stronger connections because of that activation. Visual thinking is also a tool that helps you to solve interesting and complex problems. So here what's going on is you've got some ideas that you're thinking about, and you're working through those ideas. You're identifying all of the variables, exploring different options, trying to figure out how you might chart a path forward. And when you bring the tool of visual thinking into that process, you'll once again be tapping into the benefits of dual coding, but also cognitive offloading. You'll be creating these external objects that serve as an extension of your brain. That's how Annie Murphy Paul describes it in her book, The Extended Mind, where she describes the back talk of sketches. Giving yourself a visual representation of the problem that you can work with allows you to have a conversation with it. It helps you go beyond the limitations of your working memory because you don't have to hold everything in mind. You can see it mapped out on the page. You can explore more opportunities than you otherwise would be able to, and you can chart a clearer path forward. The third use of this skill that I'd like to highlight is in the realm of communication. Sketching out the ideas that you would like to share with others will help you to more clearly communicate what you actually want to get across. Instead of relying just on words that you speak to each other in a conversation or write to each other in emails, you can sketch out a quick overview of whatever it is that you want to share. Oliver Caviglioli calls this three-point communication in his book, Dual Coding with Teachers, because what the sketch represents is that external thing that you can point to as you're talking through ideas, that they can point to identify what they understand, what they don't, to add their own ideas to the picture, which leads to a shared understanding between the two of you, or however many people you're working with, that keeps you on the same page and reduces the potential for confusion. This trio here is what excites me about the world of visual thinking. And my favorite phrase for summarizing what to do to tap into these three benefits is this: sketch it out. Don't overthink it. Don't feel like you have to create a pretty picture. You don't even have to draw if you don't want to. Focus on diagramming instead. But give yourself a page to work with, something to write and draw with, and get those ideas out of your head and onto the page so that you can do something interesting with them. So the focus of my work at Verbal to Visual is to help you develop the ability to sketch it out for these three purposes. And what I've developed is three distinct programs, depending on your context, what you're up to. One of those programs is called Sketch Instinct. The act of making marks on a page used to be instinctual for us. When we were kids, we had no problem doing this. We didn't stress about what things look like. We just had fun drawing. Within this program, I want to help you make sketching second nature again. So this is a program for individuals who want to develop this skill, perhaps specifically for these two reasons. To use it as a lifelong learner, as you're reading books, listening to podcasts, going to interesting conferences, and as a problem-solving tool to help you wrap your head around something going on in your personal life or at work. You might also choose to use it as a communication tool, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Next, we've got Sketch Strategy. This is a program that I have developed for teens. How to use these skills within the workplace to improve team performance by helping every member of that team become a better communicator and a better problem solver by developing their basic visual thinking skills. In a team setting, there's so much potential for misunderstanding, for a lack of alignment, for confusion around what you're doing and why. So the goal of this program is to help your team be able to sketch out the big picture, to keep everyone on the same page, so that everyone can see what's going on and where they fit within that picture. And the third program that I've developed is called Sketch Ed. This one is near and dear to my heart because my background is in education. I've got a Master of Arts in teaching and was on the pathway to becoming a middle school or high school teacher when I got pulled into the world of visual thinking. And this program is where I'm excited to reconnect with that community because it is specifically built for schools. It's a program where I can introduce these skills to your students so that they can use them as a learning tool and also help teachers use them in the realm of curriculum design and delivery to weave more of this into the way you teach your students. So in this program, teachers can learn alongside their students how to develop and use this versatile skill. So if the ability to learn deeply and solve problems effectively and communicate efficiently sounds appealing to you, then I encourage you to start developing your own visual thinking skills. If you're not already there, head on over to verbaltovisual.com and explore whichever of these 3 programs is best suited for you. I would love to connect with you in one of those programs, hear more about what you're working on, and help you incorporate these skills into your life in a meaningful way. Thanks for watching.